Buongiorno amici, buongiorno. Hi guys, hi to all our friends from Italy together, and today we are here in Rio Maggiore. Right now we are on the main beach of Rio Maggiore, and with this video let's go around and discover the beautiful town of Rio Maggiore, starting from the main place where to come for swimming, and then we go in the center of the town. Andiamo, let's go. Scusa. So this is the beach of Rio Maggiore. There are no lidos, so you can come here by yourself and then stand here on the beach, swim on the sea. Today it's a bit big because it's a bit strong, because there was some wind on the last days, but always nice. So you come here, and here it's the main beach of the town. Now from here, then you take this street and you go in the center of Rio Maggiore. Yes. And you see, you have to walk up and down from the beach to the town, but it's not so far. So you see here, you see the first houses, and this is the ferry that goes up and down on the Cinque Terre, on the different towns of Cinque Terre, very comfortable. So the best way to visit Cinque Terre is by ferry or by train. Don't think to come here by car because it's something impossible, very stressing, but by ferry and by train it's the best.
Certo, dove vuoi che vada?
Ah, aspetta, il processore.
Ma che lento che sei!
Wow, amazing guys, look here, the town of Rio Maggiore, so beautiful. And here you see also the people, they come and swim in this area because it's less with less waves, especially when the sea is quite strong. Yeah. The only thing is it's not very comfortable to get into the water, but once you jump in the sea. It's so beautiful, clear and crystalline. So this was to show you the one of the other point where you can go and swim in Rio Maggiore just by climbing these stones. And now let's go in the town.
Kolla på den här borta, eller?
Ma pomeriggio potom ešte sa niekto tu natočil.
A jak ten zálim?
Áno, ty sa Mica? Chodź.
That's why like most art is kind of high. It's to do with fish. I mean, really, what art are you going
Subject.
You got into mama?
Ciao.
And here the beautiful town of Rio Maggiore. Right now we are exactly in the center of the town. And here you will see already a lot of restaurants and bars where to have food. And look how many stairs there are in the town, guys. They go up and down. And there are no cars at all, so you don't think to come here by car or by bike or something like this, because the only way is to come and walk. And look at the restaurant, guys. They are preparing for lunch now. And here the center. So for example, i due linguini, 25 euro. Secondi piatti scaloppine di pesce bianco, 25 euro, and you are seated here in these tables with a view on the harbor of Rio Maggiore. Wow, bellissimo. And then keeping walking, you are on the other part of the center. And when you are here from on this direction, you have the Via dell'Amore. It's a street going to the next town of Cinque Terre, to Manarola, and then Vernazza, or you can go to the train station also on this direction. And over here the rest of the center. Also here you have a lot of restaurants, bars, B&B where to stay. You are not just in the sea or near the beach, but it's so beautiful anyway. And you see also here there are no cars, only people walking on the street. Wow, bellissimo. And then just to show you the prices of some food, for example here, if you don't want to eat something important, then you can have, for example, here a piece of margherita for 8 euro, or trophy al pesto 10 euro, that they are delicious. So a piadina with cottage cheese 7 euro. So these are the prices, depending if you wanna spend more or less. There are different prices and different options. Also here fried fish and the pizza, and here the most of the shops. This is we can say the shopping street of Rio Maggiore. Even this small town of Cinque Terre has a small shopping street. Wow, bellissimo. I love Cinque Terre, guys, and these towns are so special and so beautiful. bellissimo. So thank you so much for watching, guys, for sending your comments, and see you again with more and more videos from Cinque Terre and from Italy. Ciao ciao.